If you think artificial intelligence is only for tech nerds, billion-dollar companies, or sci-fi movies, think again. AI is no longer something futuristic. It's already living in your home. You might not even realize how much it's doing for you right now. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tell Everyone Trivia. Today we're diving into 10 insanely practical ways AI is being used in the average home and how you can make the most of it. Let's go! Virtual assistants. Your voice-activated sidekick. First up, the obvious one, virtual assistants like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple's Siri. They're more than just timers and weather forecasters. You can have them control your lights, lock your doors, turn off the oven, even read your kids a bedtime story. And here's the kicker. They're learning your preferences. If you always play a relaxing playlist at 8 p.m., your assistant will start suggesting it automatically. Smart thermostats. Comfort plus savings equals win-win. Let's talk about temperature. Devices like the Nest Learning Thermostat use AI to track your behavior when you're home, when you're sleeping, when you leave, and adjusts the temperature accordingly. The result? Lower energy bills without sacrificing comfort. And yeah, it feels a bit like the house is thinking for you. Personalized streaming recommendations. Ever wonder how Netflix knows exactly what kind of dark crime thriller or feel-good comedy you're in the mood for? That's AI at work. Streaming platforms analyze your watch history, skip behavior, and even pause times to recommend content you're more likely to love. So the next time you binge watch a new series in one night, thank the algorithm. Grocery shopping made smarter. Grocery apps like Instacart, Amazon Fresh, and Walmart Plus now use AI to predict what you'll need based on past purchases. Some even let you scan your fridge with your phone to create shopping lists or auto-order missing items. In the near future, your fridge might literally say, "Hey, you're out of oat milk," and place the order for you. That's not laziness, that's efficiency. AI-powered security systems. Home security has leveled up. Systems like Ring, Arlo, and Google Nest Cam don't just record video. They use AI to detect unusual activity. They can distinguish between a dog, a falling leaf, and an actual intruder. Some even recognize familiar faces and alert you when someone new is at the door. It's like having a 24/7 digital guard dog, minus the barking. Smart cleaning robots, because who really likes vacuuming? You've seen them, Roombas and robot mops. But here's the thing, they're no longer just bouncing around randomly. AI helps them map your home, avoid obstacles, and even detect dirtier areas that need extra attention. Some models even learn your schedule and clean while you're out. It's not just convenience, it's peace of mind. Personalized health tracking. From smartwatches to AI-powered health apps like Fitbit, Aura, or Apple Health, you now have a digital wellness coach on your wrist. These tools track your sleep, heart rate, oxygen levels, and daily activity, then use AI to suggest healthier habits. If you're not sleeping well, it won't just tell you, it might recommend going to bed earlier based on your patterns over the last month. It's like a fitness trainer who never takes a day off. AI in the kitchen, your sous chef has arrived. Cooking just got an upgrade. AI-powered apps like Whisk, Yumly, or Samsung SmartThings Cooking can help you plan meals, suggest recipes based on what's in your pantry, and even walk you through step-by-step instructions. Some smart ovens now use cameras and AI to monitor food and adjust cooking time, so you don't end up with another Gert lasagna. It's like having a chef whispering in your ear, minus the yelling. Financial management, your AI budget buddy. Want to stay on top of your money without hiring an accountant? AI has your back. Apps like Clio, Rocket Money, and Mint use AI to track your spending habits, suggest ways to save, and even call out your unnecessary subscriptions. Some can even negotiate your bills for you automatically. It's the financially responsible friend you never knew you needed. Language learning and homework help. If you have kids or you're learning something new yourself, AI tutors are game changers. Apps like Duolingo, ChatGPT, or Khan Academy's AI Tutor provide real-time feedback, personalized lesson plans, and homework help across math, science, language, and more. It's private tutoring on demand and often free. So there you have it, 10 real, practical, game-changing ways AI is already part of your home life. This isn't the future, this is now. From managing your energy bills to protecting your house, helping with dinner, and even watching your favorite shows, AI is here to make life easier, smarter, and more efficient. And the best part? You don't need a PhD in computer science. You just need to plug in, speak up, or swipe right. If you like this content, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Thank you.